Have you got these stacks of timber in your shed that are just taking up all the floor space? In today's video, we're going to be making a vertical timber stack holder. So this timber here is 4.8 meters long. I want to be able to store it vertically, just like that, to be able to maximize the space as well as the usability of the timber, keeping it nice and flat. Right, so because I rent this shed, I need to make sure I don't screw anything to the shed at all. So in this process, you're going to see that I'm going to be trying to utilize as many different ways of attaching it to the wall so it's secure, it's not going to fall over. Now I've measured out so I can stack 6 across, 6 stacks, and judging by that stack there, I should be able to get 5 stacks high. So I could have went out further on these here, but I decided that I don't want it too far out that it's going to protrude into the workshop too much, and I figured that if that can hold a stack and a half, then that's probably just as much as what I would carry in the shed at any one time anyway. So there's a few more things I'm going to do on this. So you can see how I've made these supports here. These supports secure it to the shed as well as stop the stock from falling over side to side. I'm going to do the same with that one right there. I'm not going to worry about that one there. I don't think I need it. I'm going to do the same with that one, and I'm going to do the same with this one down here. And I'm going to make a little box out the front here, just so the timber doesn't decide to slide out, which would cause a whole heap of drama. I get this bottom bracing on and it's looking pretty sturdy. Now I've still got to put one on there. It's basically the same process that you watch me put this one on here. I shall be doing the same to that. Voila, got 3 braces up there. So now I got to think about the swaying motion as well as these things for some reason popping off. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get a brace and screw it there, and screw it down here on both sides. So that will stop these from lifting up. These side supports are in. Now they're a bit too short, so I just had to add a piece onto there. So as you can see, that now locks in those three back pieces from independently pivoting on their own. So I'm still a bit worried about the flexibility of this. So I'm just going to get this block of timber and screw into here, into there. So that will just give that one extra piece of strength. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm also thinking of maybe screwing a piece in here so there's no way that could lift off. Even though I don't think it'll happen anyway. If I got a bit of extra spare timber and spare screws, I may as well anyway. So it's come along pretty well. I'm still going to make this box. This beam's going to be on the front here. I was thinking about having it up here, because how easy would that be? But then I was thinking to myself, how do you put these in? This kind of needs to be up here, so if the bobbin goes to slide, it'll slide out and hit here. But I'll show you what I mean in a second anyway. So I'm going to screw that onto the side there, onto this side there, screw this onto here, and then put a beam connecting this here, and then basically that's it. Simple as Bob's uncle. Voila, it is done, guys. Check that out. So of course, safety first. I've got a strap around it, so I will put around it at all times when I'm not regularly grabbing from it, because you never know when a big gust of wind will come through and just hurl us it down. Now I have calculated that this should be able to hold just over 2 packs of pine lining. If you guys have any other ideas that you want me to attempt on your behalf, budget, DIY, saving ideas, anything that involves tools, power tools, timber, steel, I'm more than happy to give anything a go. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.